Not often that I get stuff, so I figured I'd do an unboxing video because those are kind of popular. So I got this, ordered it from Glarry. This is a little case, so tiny. But Glarry is the name of the company, and there's some cheap headphones that come with it here. Ah, oh, it's nice and styrofoam. Oh, look at this. And it's a keyboard. It folds in half for easy travel. My thinking is, I can learn to play this, and then I can bring it with me to shows once I get something booked, and then I can have some songs that I play on the guitar, and some that I will play on this keyboard. But I saw this online, and I was looking at used keyboards, I can use stuff usually, but this is pretty cheap, or I should say inexpensive. Okay, and so now, look at this. You ready? Unfolds into an 88 key keyboard, theoretically. Okay, so that, look at that. Look at that. I get a whole keyboard. Whether that worked or something, I don't know. But I had a knife down here. Oh, there it is. Okay, so, hey, and y'all are still watching this. You must be really hard up for entertainment. So here's a cheap little microphone. So I can sing into it, I guess. I don't know. Maybe record my voice. But it does have a record thing on here too. So that's pretty cool. But my hope is I can plug this right into my new laptop, which I'm recording this on. And then I can, record right under there. Whether this will be quality enough to do that, I don't know. I really don't know. But I thought it'd at least be good to learn on. And I can record some stuff on the computer, I would think. And, you know, uh, I started playing around with the keyboard a few years ago, and I learned a few little chords. And I do all right on it. And whenever I play, people generally tell me they like it. All right, where's the mic? Sustain pedal. MP3. I don't know where to plug this thing in. Let's see. I don't know where the plug goes. Oh, wait a minute. Right. Oh, that's a sustain pedal. That's what that is. I thought this was the thing. Okay, hang on. I gotta get an extension cord. See, I'm kind of excited because I didn't expect this until Wednesday. I checked on the thing and it said Wednesday it would get here. But maybe, just maybe, so it's kind of a weird thing that I set this piano up, the keyboard up, and I was recording it on my laptop. And whenever I played it back, I could not hear the sounds coming out of the keyboard. It just didn't pick it up. It's really weird.
So it's like some kind of frequency that didn't pick up. But it does work on here, so check this out, see what you think. So it's got a nice sound. The sustain wasn't working, I wasn't pushing it right. But anyway, it's not bad for here. It's going to be good for me to practice on. Hopefully I can learn how to play this thing. And we'll go from there. But I'm excited about it. And should be pretty fun. Whether I can use it for playing out and about, I don't know. But it's a cool idea. So we'll see what happens. But there you go.